Tyler.
Hey. Tyler's...
Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas to everyone. He's looking at his door. He's looking at his door that his Aunt Yaya made. And he's trying to see. Yeah, that's Tyler. Yeah. He's looking at his name. He sees his name and he's looking at it. Say hi, Mama.
Good morning, sunshine. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
He's trying to say hi.
Say hi, everybody. Yeah. Let's go open your presents.
Look at all your presents.
All your presents under there.
These are all Tyler's presents.
Yay, Tyler. Yay, Tyler. Yay, Tyler.